In 1939, a speech experiment took place at the University of Iowa. It became known as the Monster Study due to its unethical methods. The study aimed to understand the effects of positive and negative speech therapy on children. 22 orphaned children were the unknowing subjects of this controversial experiment. The researchers divided the children into two groups. One group received positive speech therapy with praise and encouragement. The other group received negative speech therapy with belittling and criticism. The researchers wanted to see if the type of therapy affected the children's fluency. Wendell Johnson, a prominent speech pathologist, led the Monster Study. Johnson's student Mary Tudor conducted the experiment for her master's thesis. The researchers chose orphaned children as they were considered vulnerable and less likely to have advocates. This choice, however, raised serious ethical concerns. The children in the study ranged in age from 5 to 15 years old. They had various speech difficulties, but some had no pre-existing conditions. The researchers did not obtain informed consent from the children or their guardians. The children were unaware they were part of an experiment. The Monster Study used a cruel methodology. The researchers subjected the children in the negative speech therapy group to harsh treatment. They told the children their speech was flawed and constantly criticized their communication. The children in the positive speech therapy group received praise and encouragement for their efforts. The researchers measured the children's fluency and language skills before, during, and after the experiment. They recorded their sessions and analyzed the children's responses to the different therapy styles. The results of the study were never published in any scientific journal. Section 4. The ethical storm surrounding the study. The Monster Study immediately drew criticism for its ethical violations. Critics argued that the researchers inflicted psychological harm on the children, particularly those in the negative speech therapy group. The study's design showed a blatant disregard for the well-being of its subjects. The researchers argued that they were simply trying to understand the causes of stuttering. They believed that their findings could help develop more effective therapies. However, many argued that the potential benefits did not outweigh the risks to the children. Section 5. Lasting effects and lessons learned. The Monster Study had a lasting impact on the field of research ethics. It highlighted the importance of informed consent, minimizing harm to participants, and ensuring the well-being of all subjects. The study also led to the development of ethical guidelines for research involving human subjects. The Monster Study serves as a cautionary tale about the potential consequences of unethical research. It reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge must never come at the expense of human dignity and well-being. The lessons learned from this experiment continue to shape ethical standards in research today.